Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we will read a poem, Animals, from your first flight book. Animals. Who has written this poem? Who has written this poem?
Walt Whitman.
Yes. Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman has written this poem. He is an American poet. And he usually write in free verse. कैसे लिखते हैं? He did not follow rhymes and rhythms, rhyming words. ये सब follow नहीं करते हैं. He write his poem in an original way, without following any rhymes and rhythm, without rhyming words, in a free verse. देखो rhyming words आ रहे हैं पे? No rhyming words are there. He used to write in free verse, free poem. ठीक है? In this poem, there is a contrast between animals and human beings. कहते हैं ना, if someone says जानवर हो, that means उस इंसान के पास qualities नहीं है. जानवर हो क्या? That means he has no qualities of human being. But in this poem, the thing is different. Poet want to say that animals are better than human beings. Yes. Animals are having far more qualities, the good qualities that human beings don't have. Start the poem. I think I could turn and live without live with animals. I means कौन है I? Poet Walt Whitman. He is telling that I think I could turn and live with animals. I will turn to animals. मैं animals बन जाऊँ and live with them. Why he wanted to live with the animals? Because they are so placid and self-contained. Animals are placid, so peaceful, calm, and they are self-contained. Self-contained means they are satisfied with what they have. They are self-dependent. So he want to turn to animals and live with them. I stand and look at them long and long. The poet stand and look at the animals for a long time. बहुत देर तक वो जानवर के सामने खड़े होके जानवर को देखते रहते हैं. Because those animals have good qualities than human beings. What are those good qualities? These are described in these lines. Okay. Then he told that they do not sweat and whine about their condition. Sweat means क्या होता है? Here the word sweat means कड़ी मेहनत. They did not sweat. Who did not sweat? Animals. Animals did not do hard work. And whine about their condition. Whine means complain. They did not complain like human beings. Human beings क्या होता है? They sweat. They work very hard to have more and more things in their lives. अपने जिंदगी में satisfied वो होते नहीं हैं. वो कड़ी मेहनत करते हैं. एक चीज से दूसरे चीज, दूसरे से तीसरे. हमेशा वो पाने की चाहत में रहते हैं. So human beings work hard, but animals do not sweat. They do not work hard, and they do not whine about their condition. They do not complain about their conditions. They do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins. If they do any wrong thing in their life, कोई पाप कर दे, कोई गलत काम कर दे, animal, then they do not lie awake in the dark. तो रात में, in the dark means at night. They did not lie awake in the dark. वो रात को जाग कर रोते नहीं हैं, परेशान नहीं होते हैं और अपने गलत कामों पर पछतावा नहीं करते हैं एज ह्यूमन बींग्स डू। ह्यूमन बींग से कुछ सिंस हो जाए, रॉन्ग थिंग हैपन हो जाए उनके लाइफ में, तो दे बिकम रेस्टलेस। बट एनिमल्स डू नॉट लाई, दे डोंट बिकम रेस्टलेस, दे लीव देयर लाइफ पीसफुली। नेक्स्ट, they do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. Animal do not make me, यहाँ me किसके लिए आया है? Poet. Me refers poet. They do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. Animals do not make poets sick. परेशान नहीं करता है एनिमल बार बार ये सुनाकर कि they have a duty toward God. They have to pray. They have to go to temple. They have to go to church or mosque. They have no duty toward God. They live their life peacefully with what they have. जितना है उतने में संतुष्टि के साथ रह के उनकी लाइफ पीसफुली calmly बीतते रहती है. They have no duties and they do not make anyone sick discussing their duty to God. Not one is dissatisfied. Not one is dissatisfied means every animals are satisfied with what they have. जो भी उनके पास है, जितना भी उनके पास है, जो भी खाना मिल जाए उसमें ही वो satisfied रहते हैं. Not one is demented with the mania of owning things. Not one is demented with mania of owning things. Demented means mad. As like human being are always running toward the materialistic things, worldly pleasure. They want to get more and more in their life. But animals are always satisfied with what they have. Animals are not demented with, they are not running toward owing things. चीजों के पीछे, वर्ल्डली प्लेजर को पाने के पीछे एनिमल्स नहीं भागते हैं. वो पागलों की तरह चीजों को हासिल करना नहीं चाहते हैं. कौन? एनिमल्स. बट it is the quality of human beings. They are always busy in owing things. अगर कुछ मिल जाए तो कुछ और चाहिए, कुछ और मिल जाए तो कुछ उससे भी ज़्यादा चाहिए. But this is not the quality of animals. Not one kneels to another means कोई animals दूसरे के सामने kneel down नहीं होते हैं. They do not fall on their knees to another, nor to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. Means ये इसका मतलब क्या है? उनके पूर्वज, not to his kind, उनको अपने तरह के जो लोग हैं जो thousands of years पहले जो रहते थे उनके पूर्वजों के सामने भी they do not wish, they do not pray, they do not kneel to another. किसी के सामने झुककर किसी चीज़ की मांग करना ऐसा एनिमल का क्वालिटी नहीं है. बट ये ह्यूमन बीइंग का क्वालिटी है that they wish to get something and then kneel down to another of his kind or other and pray for owing things to get pleasure. But this is not the quality of animals. Not one is respectable means there is no caste system in animals. एनिमल में कास्ट सिस्टम नहीं है. कोई रिस्पेक्टेबल, कोई लो रिस्पेक्ट वाले, कोई हाई रिस्पेक्ट वाले नहीं है. दे ऑल आर इक्वल. नॉट वन इज रिस्पेक्टेबल नॉर अनहैप्पी मीन्स एवरी एनिमल आर हैप्पी. एवरी एनिमल हैव the same respect over the whole earth. कोई ऐसा जानवर नहीं है कि ज़्यादा किसी को आदर मिल रहा है, ज़्यादा सम्मान मिल रहा है, कोई ज़्यादा खुश है, कोई कम खुश है. All are equal over the whole earth. All are happy over the whole earth. So poet describes the good qualities of animals that human beings don't have. So from the poem, from this book, so they show their relation to me and I accept them. The animals show their relation to me. They show me love, show me care, and I accept them, and I accept their relation. They bring me tokens of myself. They evince them plainly in their possession. They bring me token of myself. Token of myself. Tokens means qualities. तो पोएट यहाँ पे बताते हैं कि all these qualities are once evinced by human beings. ये qualities possess कौन करता था? Human beings. बहुत समय पहले all these qualities are with human beings, but these animals bring my tokens. They have taken our token. They have taken the token. They have taken the qualities of the human beings. They evince them plainly in their possession, and they obtain all these qualities of good qualities of human beings. तो poet बताते हैं कि ठीक है, all these qualities are obtained by animal nowadays, but these qualities are of human beings. In the past time, all these qualities are with human beings. I wonder. Then in the last two lines of the poem, I wonder. The poet was wondering. He was surprised. I wonder where they get these tokens. ये tokens, ये qualities जो animals के पास है, वो उनको कैसे मिल गए? He was wondering. Did I pass that way huge time ago? Did I pass that way huge time ago? Before long time? Have I given them these tokens, these good qualities of human being during the time of evolution? वो बताते हैं at the time of evolution, did I pass these tokens to animals and negligently drop them, or due to carelessness of human being, we drop the qualities, good qualities somewhere, and they accept those qualities. और animals जो है वो हमारे good qualities जो हमने छोड़ दिए, हमने अपने लापरवाही के कारण जो गिरा दिए, वो good qualities animals accept कर लिए. So now these days animals are having good qualities than human beings. They are far more better than human beings. So the poet wants to turn and live with animals because they are better than human beings. Clear है? ठीक है? So this is all about the